Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great hatchback in our collection. A pre-owned 2023 Mazda CX-5. This Mazda is powered by all-wheel drive Skyactiv Gi i4 inline 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and has 31,094 miles. Discover unbeatable value with this 2023 Mazda CX-5. Stylish, reliable, and packed with features, this used SUV offers comfort and performance for every adventure. Don't miss out, drive home your dream today. Visit us for a test drive. This pre-owned CX-5 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, remote start, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control, power tailgate, cooled seats. To keep you entertained, this Mazda CX-5 is equipped with Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, head-up display, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control (ESC), traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, adaptive headlights, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.